So in this next video, we're going to be covering strengthening exercises that you can do to help improve strength in your neck and in your shoulder blade area. These exercises are going to be good to not only relieve pain, but to help improve your posture. That way you can offload that stress that you're putting on your neck. With these exercises, all you're going to need is a light resistance band and maybe a chair. This first exercise we're going to do, we're going to start on the floor and we're going to use this band. So we're building up on that chin tuck exercises that we started off with in the first video. You're going to put this band behind your head like so, and then you're going to go in that hands and knees position. From here, you want to work on that chin tuck, really push into the band and then slightly come off. So basically we're doing a chin tuck, but with some added resistance. So again, band behind your head, tuck, and then relax. With this, I like to hold that chin tuck for 3 seconds and go for 10 reps. You should feel the muscles in the front of your neck working. You might feel a little bit of stretch in that back area. This is going to be good because it's really going to strengthen your anterior deep cervical neck flexors, which is really important to help provide more support to your neck. This next exercise is going to target the mid-back area. You're going to use that same band that you have. Start off with the least amount of resistance. So I'm holding it with just one strap. Start standing nice and tall. You want to bring that arm back, squeeze your shoulder blades, hold 3, 2, 1, and then slowly come back. So again, with this, don't let the shoulder blades hike up, squeeze down and back, and come back in. As you do this exercise, think about pulling the band towards your chest, but don't think about just pulling your arms. Think about squeezing through your shoulder blades. You really want to feel your rhomboids or your shoulder blade muscles here really engaged as you go. This is going to be good to offload that neck muscle that we're talking about before. Go 3 rounds of 10 with a 3-second hold on each rep. This next exercise is going to help improve that shoulder blade strength again, like we're talking about. This is going to be our banded row exercise. So you're going to start with your feet on the band like this. You're going to come down, keep that chin tucked. So we're going to start working on our posture with this exercise. So keep that chin tucked, and then from here, hold the band up, and then come back down. Squeeze through your shoulder blades, come back down, keep that chin tucked. You don't want to let that neck drop down. Neck is in a good position. Pull with the elbows, come back down. Similar to what we said before, as you do this exercise, don't let that shoulder blade hike up this way. Let that elbow dictate that movement and really get that shoulder blade area moving as you go. This next exercise, I like to start sitting down. This one's going to work your mid-back muscles, and it's going to start getting your lower trap muscles firing more. And that's going to help relieve some tension in your neck. So what you want to do is stand up, sit up nice and tall, start with your hands behind your head, and then just work on squeezing that shoulder blade back, just like that. With this, as you go, you don't want to hike up your shoulders. You want to bring that elbow back, squeeze your shoulder blades. With this, don't think about just bringing your elbows back. You want to think about squeezing your shoulder blades back and then slowly back in. That way you start getting your lower trap fired up more. From here, we can progress it by squeezing your shoulder blades back, reaching your arms back, and then going behind your back, keeping that squeezed, and then going to that starting position. So again, squeeze that shoulder blade back, keep that shoulder blade squeezed, reach your arms back, behind your back, and then return to that starting position. With this, go for 10 reps. Start off with the first exercise where you just work on squeezing that shoulder blade back. You should feel that in that lower trap area and nothing in that neck region. From there, if that feels good, progress that into a butterfly swimmer progression. So that concludes our third video on strengthening exercises for your neck and mid-back. Do these exercises to help improve your posture and again, relieve tension in your neck.